Welcome to Mindzita. Tech simplified, dreams amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to add blogs to your WordPress website. Let's begin. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Click Posts and click on Add New. Enter your blog title. Next, add a category. Add an excerpt. Set a featured image and click Publish. After publishing, click Edit with Elementor. Elementor will open. Make any design you want. When finished, click on Update. Now create the blog page. Go to Pages and click on Add New. Name the page Blog Page. Click Publish. Now edit the blog page with Elementor. After publishing, click Edit with Elementor. Elementor editor will open. Next, add the Posts widget. Click Add New Section. Go to the left sidebar. In the search box, type Posts. Drag and drop the Posts widget into the page. Next, configure the blog display. In the widget settings, select your category. Choose the one you want to show. Choose your blog style, grid, list, cards, Masonry, etc. Adjust layout, columns, and spacing if needed. Now click Publish. Click Preview to see how your blog page looks on the live website. And that's it. If you run into any issues to add blogs, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.